Yeah, early this January, we just started a new phase of our interview section. It's called Interact Nature, like interacting with nature, interacting with people so that they can tell you the least they know about nature and then how they feel about it and what it feels, to be there. How if it's been a museum, is you've been to, how was it? Is it a beautiful place to be? Is it a very good experience, or was it an ugly experience? So, audience, we want you guys to read this one. But before then, I will just make a little introduction to this particular one. This guy here is known as Mr. Beats. He's one of us, and he's part of the E-Magix team. He's the one interviewing people. As you can see, he left his hair scattered, his beard, his everything. He's not touching them because he's the character we built for this particular interaction. So you are not going to see him like, who is this one? This look is on a purpose. And then for the girl, is one of our clients. We hosted her, so we are talking some ideas. And first of all, in this video, we didn't go deep in our major discussion simply because she already told us that her phase of life is far different from just interacting with nature, that she's not putting her mind in that aspect of life. But then we have to switch to another phase of interaction, which is the former one that we're doing. I mean, that is asking people about marriage, what they feel, how the state they want to marry from, then which state is this and all that. But you can see the girl is just looking so natural. Step 2 is looking so natural, no makeup, no new hair, no artificial hair. Everybody here is just cool. So guys, I would love you to watch the main interview section with this girl, with Mr. Beats.
Okay, my name is Mr. Beats. Okay, well, you are welcome to E-magixtv, a media where we do a lot of video documentary, comedy skit, viral videos, name it all. So, where are you from? Fantastic. Are you a student? Okay, what are you studying? What level are you? You're a fresher. Wow, that's great. It's okay. Well, if you are asked to marry between a guy from Imo State, Enugu, and Ebonyi, which will come first? You're going to marry the guy from Enugu. You have your reason?
I don't want to say it was really fucked up, but I just want to listen.
You just want to, what about your Ebonyi?
It's not pure evil.
Really?
It's deep, but it's not the main evil.
Okay. So what makes Enugu the best for you?
I don't know how to speak a language, like it's still evil, but I just want to get to know them.
Oh, that's nice. The second question is, assuming you are asked now, apart from marrying Enugu man, these are 2 states, Ebonyi, Imo, and Enugu. Which one will be your boyfriend? This is not marriage. Which one will be your house cleaner? And which one will be your sugar daddy? Between the 2 states.
Okay. Walk away, my boyfriend.
Okay.
Able to be my sugar daddy because they are rich. Able to
Okay, the one from Ebonyi will now be your husband. It's okay, nice. the last question here is: have you been in a relationship before? Okay. What is the highest thing you have done for love?
Nothing. Like, I'm not into this give, kiss, sacrifice. I just feel and see how it goes. I'm still young to give myself for love.
Oh, nice. Okay, that leads me to another question. If that's the case, I'm going to ask you 3 questions more. For one is, we are doing this. Someone from Turkey is Turkish. Alright? Someone from Britain is British. Now, someone from China is what? What? Okay, someone from China is Chinese.
Someone from China is called Chinese.
Okay, someone from China is called Chinese. Is that your answer? Are you okay with that? Okay, very good. Someone from Morocco is a Moroccan. Someone from America is American. Someone from Togo is what?
I don't know.
No idea. Very correct. Well, it's right. You're welcome once more to E-magixtv. Nice meeting you. Political science, right? Very good. We wish you well in your years of study. First year. Okay. Say hi to E-magix. Very good. Thank you. We are done. You see, you did it. You killed it. You killed it.
She was vibing.
What's the
She was following the steps.
I wanted to say go. It was something.
She was vibing.
What's the
She was following the steps.
I wanted to say go. It was something.
Okay, it was sounding somehow. Well, you got it. You tried.